Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the difference between accounts receivable and accounts payable. Yeah, I work with people all the time that get those confused. So we're going to straighten that out for you today and you won't forget it going forward. But I do want to say I expect something great to happen today for you. So keep that in mind every day as you approach life. Let's talk about the difference between accounts receivable versus accounts payable. Sorry, it doesn't want to stay in focus too much there. Let's talk about accounts receivable first. The key word here is receivable. That means that you or the company that you're doing the accounting for is going to receive this payment. You're receiving it. For example, you sell some inventory to a customer. The customer is going to pay you at the end of the month. That is an account receivable. You'll eventually receive cash for it, hopefully, if they pay, and then it is received. So an account receivable is an asset and will be treated as such on the balance sheet. Let's talk about accounts payable. The key word here is payable. That means that the entity or person that you're accounting for has to pay something or someone. Usually it is some sort of vendor. Maybe they need to pay for inventory, or let's say, for example, they receive a bill for the electric service in the mail. That is an account payable. It is something that must be paid. You could have an account payable for wages. For example, your employees do some work for you and you need to pay them on payday. Until you pay them, it is wages payable. So sometimes the word in front of it isn't just simply accounts. Maybe it's wages payable. Maybe it's taxes payable, something along that. It is still a liability. So you've got assets over here, accounts receivable. It could be rent receivable. It might be some other type of receivable, interest receivable, but it's still receivable and it's still an asset. Anything that is a payable is a liability. It's something the company needs to pay out. If you find this content helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and there's some other ways to support the channel listed down below in the description for this video. If you have questions on business or accounting or law, put them in the comments below and I'll try and make a video for you on it. But until next time, this is Professor Capko, and I'm asking you to keep your grade alive and subscribe.